We have to solve this question. So in first step we can write equal 54, then multiplied 27 is actually 3 power 3, then power 2x, and this 3 is actually here power 1 by 3. So okay, divided by 9 is actually 3 power 2 power x plus 1. Okay, then plus 216 time, we can write here time 3 power 2x, and then time 3 power minus 1. Okay, so in next step we can this 3 and this 3, so we can write equal 54 time 3 power 2x over then 3 power 2x plus 2 plus 216, then time 3 power 2x time 3 power minus 1. Okay, so in next step I can write okay, so here I can write equal 54 time 3 power 2x over 3 power 2x time 3 power 2, then plus 216 time 3 power 2x time 3 power minus 1. Okay, so next step I can write 54 time 3 power 2x and then divided by, I can see 3 power 2 here. This 3 power 2x is common in both terms, so I can take common this term. Okay, so further I can write 3 power 2x, then bracket 3 power 2 plus 216 time 3 power minus 1. Okay, so 3 power 2x and 3 power 2x cancel, equal to 54 over 3 power 2 is 9 plus 216 time 3 power minus 1 is actually 1 by 3. 54 over 9 plus 216 divided by 3. So we can write here 1. So we can write further 54 over. So we know how to solve the fractions. We multiplied these and we multiplied with this cross here and then here. Okay, so you can write 3, then 3 times 9 is 27, plus then 1 times 26, 216. Okay, so 54. 27 plus 216 is 243 divided by 3, and this one equal to, further you can write equal 54 divided by 81. Okay, further we can write this is 6 over 9, and then it is 2 over 3. So this is our final answer.